Hi friends, welcome back to another remote video lesson. This week we're going to focus on solfege. Here's our learning target. I can use my knowledge of the musical staff so I can learn more about solfege and what it means in music. Last time we had a music lesson, we talked about the musical staff, and we're going to expand on that knowledge today when we're talking about solfege. So what is solfege? Solfege is a system where every note on a scale is given its own unique syllable, which is used to sing that note every time it appears. Well, what does that mean? So we know about the musical staff. We know about high notes, we know about low notes, right? And we know that every note appears somewhere on the musical staff. And we know that that musical staff, each note has a name, right? E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, so on and so on. And it's easier to remember when we think of this system. So for lines, we think of every good boy does fine, right? Every good boy does fine. E, G, B, D, F. Those are the names of the line notes on the musical staff. And for the spaces, we remember F, A, C, E, which is easy to remember because that spells face. Good job. So with solfege, it actually starts down below the musical staff, right here. We call that middle C, middle C. So it would go C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and so on and so on. With solfege, it says do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Just like that. Let's take a look at those hand motions a little closer, shall we? This is the symbol for do, and it makes the middle C sound. Do. Can you make this symbol with your hand? Let's try another one. Re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, and do. Just like that. So if we were to look on a staff like this, where there are notes across the page, we can make it sound like this. Mi, 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 sol, do, re, mi, fa, 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 mi, 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 re, 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 mi, re, so. Do you recognize that melody? If you said Jingle Bells, you are correct. Now you can use solfege for any musical sound, and you can make these symbols whenever you're listening to songs at home. So I want you now to think of your favorite song. Can you sing the song with solfege? You can make it into a game. You sing it with solfege and try to get someone else to guess the song that you are singing. But that is the end of our lesson for this week, my friends. You did a great job. Check out the other videos I have below in our lesson to learn more about solfege.